They told me about Romeo and Juliet, and I thought, what a beautiful story. But now I know what I feel for you is something deeper, something even more beautiful than that. I would cross the mountains, rivers and the sea, face the wildest storms if you were waiting for me, just to see the sunlight dancing in your eyes and feel the joy of living by your side. And I already know I can't let you go. You've become the heart of everything I know. Just to be the one who wakes up next to you, I do that and more, it's true. To protect your smile, to bring you peace and light, I'd give up my freedom, and I'd do it with pride. And if loving you means giving all I am, then call me yours. I'd do it all again, to be yours completely by my own choice, to hear forever in the sound of your voice. And if one day I find myself held in your arms, that would be heaven, that would be love. Whoa. Yes, to be yours completely by my own choice, to be your joy, your peace, your voice. And if one day I find myself held in your arms, that would be heaven, that would be love.